Incremental things. Let's continue the Supermemo course, the logical expansion. Now that we have seen how to modify and set a specific forgetting index for many elements at once, now it's turn to know when. If I set a high number, I increase it, decrease it, set a specific number, when that is useful. So I have a few different scenarios. Next, when you can set a specific number, when you want to analyze your performance metrics, your performance. That's it. Hey, let me do this. So for instance, now I can filter by forgetting index, requested forgetting, forgetting index. And I will do everything below the default 10. Here you go. Now because I modified those today. Then I will check the stats, process browser, and statistics. And I could compare this with the ones that have higher forgetting index. Requested forgetting index, because look at this. Look at the requested forgetting index. It's 7.32%. Not everything is 8. I have some that are 5. The average is that. But the measured is even lower. But look at the first repetition. It's 12. So at the beginning it's crap and then it gets better. So what one use case is this, that I will use it, but only for the sake of checking the performance metrics. That this can usually will be kind of in the long term. You won't wait a week and check the metrics. You will need months or usually years. That's usually what I say. That usually I carry on A/B testing. Always. There's some A/B testing in my collection, or more than one. And sometimes multi-year, because you cannot know that short term. See you in the next video.